थोड़ा सा सर के इस जर्नी के बारे में जानना चाह रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले सर, सच एन अमेजिंग थिंग एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी सुपर ऑसम फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स। विजिटेड बोथ ऑफ कैंपसेस व्हिच आर नोन फॉर ISI, Bangalore and Kolkata. अभी recently we had this event, Math Circles, and he took a lecture and students were awed by his aura and the kind of words he had. Again, so he got into mathematics, he got into. Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. So a big announcement, we have someone who has joined us in our team, and again this is someone we always have wanted. He is B Math from ISI Bangalore, M Math from ISI Kolkata. There are very less teachers who are of this pedigree, and it is our privilege and honor to welcome Anirudh Chakravarti sir. Sir, welcome. So ये हमारा सर छोटा सा चैनल है, and of course thank you for joining this.
Absolutely.
And it is such an honor because India के अंदर ना B Math और M Math दोनों ISI वाले करने वाले लोग बहुत कम हैं, and वो भी people who get into teaching are even lesser. So again this is such an amazing thing and it is going to be super awesome for the students of Vedantu Olympiad School. I'm sure आप बहुत ज़्यादा उद्धार करने वाले इन बच्चों का later down the line. And to tell you guys, जब सर ने शुरू किया था तो सर had an option to either join JEE Advanced. I mean, he had cleared JEE Advanced and of course ISI B Math, and he chose B Math over JEE Advanced, and फिर M Math किया, and M Math के बाद टीचिंग में आए, राइट. सो थोड़ा सा सर के इस जर्नी के बारे में जानना चाह रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहले सर, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे जिनका एस्पिरेशन JEE होता है. अभी रिसेंटली बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो डिफरेंट रूट ISI के ऊपर जा रहे हैं, बट आपने उस टाइम पे ये दोनों ऑप्शंस के साथ ISI चूज़ किया ओवर JEE, जब इतना ज़्यादा लोगों को ISI के बारे में ज़्यादा पता भी नहीं था. सो अगेन पहले तो उस डिसीजन के बारे में, हाउ डिफिकल्ट दैट डिसीजन वाज एंड वाज द फैमिली सपोर्टिव?
My family was absolutely supportive, sir, and the decision was not really that tough. I was really fascinated about mathematics, and the mathematical thinking, the scientific thinking has always fascinated me. Many topics in number theory, which we always do in our subjects as well. We study for JEE also, and I did Tomato book because my maths teacher recommended it. And yes, after a lot of practice and all that, I could clear it, sir. It was a dream come true to go to ISI.
So again, and not only ISI, so you've visited both of campuses which are known for ISI, Bangalore and Kolkata. ज़्यादा मज़ा कहाँ है सर?
So Bangalore मैं 3 साल था, but the 2 years were gone in lockdown. So I had more experience with my friends, and I explored Kolkata more than Bangalore. But still, Bangalore is the best place. I would prefer to go to Bangalore, but Kolkata I had memorable experiences.
Amazing. So again, for the audience, he did B Math from ISI Bangalore, M Math from ISI Kolkata. And okay, so why teaching? Because M Math के बाद normally people go into all academics and all, and they go to research. So again, had you been teaching before, and why shift into teaching? Because this is one question which is going to be asked by a lot of students.
Yeah, absolutely, sir. I can answer that. Many people are interested in mathematics, and I would love to interact with people who are fascinated about mathematics. I love to interact with kids, sir, who are very enthusiastic. They ask a lot of questions. And I believe in Vedantu, yes, recently in the math circle, I have seen such students, and it was an amazing experience. And I'm sure I'll meet more of such students here, and that's what fascinated me about teaching, sir. Even though, yes, I did M Math, many people go to academics, they do PhD. I was very fascinated about being around people and doing mathematics all over again. Yeah, that is an amazing thing.
I'm sure, sir, your experience is going to help a lot of these students. We have a big ISI community. We have our courses wherein we teach full math mastery. Of course, you know about that. So you are the people who are in ISI batches, FMM batches, even NNTC. Sir has started teaching, taken stage 2 classes. So you are going to be in surprise because Abhi, recently we had this event, Math Circles, and he took a lecture and students were awed by his aura and the kind of words he had. Again, so he got into mathematics, he got into history of mathematics, he got into what mathematics can do. Sir, एक आधी चीज़ एक YouTube audience के लिए भी हम कुछ, anything that.
Yeah, many things. So one thing which I taught there was fascinating things about pi. And I think we will upload those clips, sir. So yes, it will be seen by you all. I discussed about how circumference of Earth was measured in the year 240 BCE, 2000 years ago. These are very amazing things in mathematics. which everyone should be fascinated about. Everyone should study and read. It's not just about the research purposes, but the small minute things in mathematics should also be discovered by the students.
Yes, and this is the core philosophy. So it is not only about teaching them formulas, it is also about teaching them the history, किस तरीके से maths evolve हुआ, because that is something which gets in with people into mathematics, and they're able to explore more things. They're able to, you know, unravel the mystery of mathematics, and this is how a lot of our students have been doing it. They got into mathematics, they learned the history, they learned the ideas, किस तरीके से हमारे historians ने, हमारे पहले mathematicians ने चीज़ें को discover किया, and अभी हमें ना every second or third day we get messages from the students that I made this new theorem, right? So even now there's a student who's is sending messages on Telegram कि this is the theorem which I developed, please verify this, and so these are the kind of things which which excite us a lot more than the results. And I'm sure Sir's experience in ISI, Sir's experience in non-routine mathematics is going to help each and every one of you. We will be doing a lot of sessions with Sir on YouTube as well. And of course, he will be mentoring a lot of ISI students later down the line. So wishing you all the best, Sir. And I'm very sure these students are going to love you.
I would like to add one thing.
Yes.
So most of the discoveries which happened in mathematics, they did not happen because they had an end goal. They wanted to explore mathematics, whatever they knew, they wanted to do more about that, and things just happened to work, and we are now where we are. We are using the technology like crazy. So don't have any particular goal ki exam ke. Yes, that is an eventual, like that becomes obvious after we understand mathematics clearly. So I believe mathematics should be not about the exams solely, it should be about understanding the subject clearly.
Yes,
The
and,
thinking
and
is
the
important.
students who do this kind of mathematics are the ones who actually score also.
Absolutely.
Right, so on that note we'll end, and of course you're going to see a lot of Anuzar sir live on YouTube and in the platform classes. All the best, students. Thank you, sir.